This is an incredibly stupid question, but this is a beer stop, right?
Yes.
What up, yo? Back on the road again. Gonna be another Three Amigos ride today, which means a good time. We are going down to Jensen Beach, Florida today, which will mean some ocean views. Hopefully we're going to take A1A down there, a little bit of US 1. Yeah, down here in Florida, A1A is the road that rides along the ocean. Not sure which one, not sure who's leading today, but I don't know which way they're going to go, but I'm not sure of the route, but I'm sure we'll get some of those roads in. So it should be a good one. Ride along. Hell yeah! Ruh-roh. What are we doing? Having a beer already? Like 2 minutes into the ride. Sure enough. These freaking guys are nuts, man. Good, I gotta take a piss. Cool little stop, though. I don't know why they put a park here. There's really nothing here. This is an incredibly stupid question, but this is a beer stop, right?
Yes. Yes.
Joseph, how are you today?
Very good.
It's very nice to see you. How are you, bud?
Cheers.
Not as good as you, you know.
Okay, you
Nobody's
got it?
as good as me.
You ready?
Yeah, go.
The Three Amigos,
Yeah.
the good, the bad, and the other
And
guy.
they're ugly.
Oh man, I thought I was the ugly all this
No,
time.
you're bad. You got the big guns.
I can't fucking believe it. I'm always the ugly.
Damn it.
Like usually we are dressed the same way and said
gonna
that
borrow
we're
your
twins.
shirt.
Right,
and I'm
right.
always ending up to be Danny DeVito.
I wanted to see the Hawaii. Yeah, you're DeVito. I wanted the Hawaiian shirt today. You let me down. That's your trademark.
He's being humble.
There you go.
Stay humble.
With Joseph?
I have to tell me this every day. Just stay humble.
Stay humble.
You know?
Right.
So I was up in Vermont. This was the coldest here in America. 2 buses, Escutney. It's called Escutney. It's a ski resort in Vermont, somewhere up in the mountains. There's really nothing in this hotel, whatever. And big parking lot, and we had 2 buses and we stayed there for a week, and they went skiing.
Right.
we got the same room and a double bed. So
You guys
it's almost
bagging it
like
up.
planes, trains, and automobiles. We opened the
trains.
door. And we looked at each other like, we thought we got 2 beds.
Right.
No, it was like one bed. Right?
How'd that
And he
work out
looked
for
at
you?
me, and I looked at him, and he said, "Are you okay?" And I said, "I don't give a shit." You know?
Hey, we gotta stay warm somehow.
Have you been ever out there?
No, not at all. I was just saying, I don't even know why there's a park here because there's nothing here.
Absolutely beautiful. Like we walk usually from here where the people are, go across that. This is like a bridge with the rocks, and then you keep on going, and there's this big lake with huge gator in there. And then you have to go one day, or on a bicycle or something. I don't know.
Oh, maybe we should do that on a bicycle trip.
Yeah. Right,
I haven't
because
ridden
you
in a while.
see
I like bike
bicycles
riding.
going
Yeah.
in here too.
I like bike riding. It's fun.
Watch the horse kick a boom.
That'd be awesome.
And the nads. Oh my god. Just smashes your nut so it's leaking.
Yeah, he ain't using them anyhow.
Thank God.
Them old fucking things.
He's got two.
I've got to urinate.
Oh no, not again.
Yep. It's a good spot right here. All right, guys, we're house still? Just started this ride an hour ago, and we're still farting around in our hometown here. We got a ways to go, but they want to stop and have another beer at what's called the Drop Zone. It's a real small airport up here, and they do parachute trips out of here. So we'll go check it out. But man, it's gonna be a long day. We gotta get all the way down to Jensen Beach yet, man. It's gonna be a 7-hour day here. This is definitely gonna be a 2-parter, guys. So subscribe, get the second part. Might be a 3-parter. The way we're going. Really, dude? A fucking douche. Alright, this is the airport here, guys. They probably got some people going up. See if we can get some people parachuting, skydiving. I used to live actually on this airport quite a few years back, and actually sitting on the back porch, saw a couple people fall with no parachute opening at all. Pretty scary situation. Never made the news, don't ever know what happened to them. But it couldn't have been good. And I think I saw 2 of them do that over the span of time I lived there.
Yeah, cool. And if you would have a little bit bigger balls, you could be up there right now.
My balls are way too small for that.
Oh, look at him, he's hammering down. Look. Beautiful. You know how much fun this is? Oh my god.
How cool is that, guys, huh? That is wild. Woo! Man, they come in hot. Whoa! That is cool right there, man. Man, we timed it good for you guys, man. Check it out. Got some skydivers for you. Another good ride with lots to see.
I think Jen's that one.
Oh, somebody jerking off there.
Wearing a cheese string or something?
Oh, that park on US 1 as you're going just past Lake Washington Road. There's a park there. They call it Ho Hum Park or something.
Hulu, or it was the gate place, right? Hoo Park.
Yeah, I just bought a Harley in Orlando at the Harley Davidson place in Orlando. I came home that way, and it was pouring rain, so I pulled in there. As soon as I pulled in, here comes this white, skinny guy. It might have been 100 pounds.
Sure, it was pouring rain.
Yeah, it was. So I pull in there. This guy comes out of the woods, 6 foot tall, maybe 105 pounds, with girls' bikini underwear on. Comes walking out.
I'm not saying I see the problem.
You see the problem? I called Barbara and said, I'm about to shoot this fucker.
So you stayed there for a while, huh?
So I spent a couple days there.
Alright guys, we're leaving the Drop Zone. That was the name of the skydiving little bar area there. Picked up a beer there. Looks like they got some good food and stuff in there. I'm gonna have to stop back in there. But yeah, we're heading down out of Sebastian finally. Can't believe we spent this much time. We're not even out of town yet. This is gonna be a long day. But yeah, we're gonna pick up US 1, I guess, down here again, and I think there's another little park or a little bar we're gonna hit. So, right along. All right, guys, we just got off Old Dixie Highway. We're back on the US 1 here. Hopefully the traffic won't be too bad. Doesn't look too bad right now. So, we'll see where the boys are taking us. I think the next stop, like I said, is a little park up here, but not real sure. You never know where these guys are going. So, I'll follow along just like y'all, and we'll see where we end up. Spoke way too soon about the traffic. Yeah, this sucks. This is why we normally go out west. There's none of this bullshit. Maybe they know a different route. Man, it's right at lunchtime too, man. That's not helping. It is a lot of fun though.
Oh yeah, it is fun. When it's over.
And how much beer can you drink when you're doing acid?
You can.
Oh my God, dude, me and my buddy killed almost a half keg by ourselves. Yeah, just non-stop, nothing.
I must have missed something. I'm not gonna try it.
Yeah, you need to before you die, man.
Yeah, what's this little?
That may be tomorrow.
The little paper squares.
A microdot.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Put this little drop.
Yep. That's what we had. Alright guys, sorry about that. I didn't get any footage back there, and I wish I would have, because we had more Joseph stories and they were kick-ass. But my battery died in the old GoPro, and I popped the new one in, so we should be good to go. Hopefully I can get some more footage of these clowns. Heading down to lunch finally. I'm starving. So they said it's about a half-hour ride, so we'll get a little footage in here, and then we'll pick you up at lunchtime. Alright guys, we just crossed the Jensen Beach city limits, and we're heading to the old restaurant. I think it's called Crawdaddy's. I'm not sure, but we'll know in a minute. I think we be here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I came here back in the day. I think it was named something else back then though. Oh, Mulligan's. No, that's it. I don't think we're going here though. We're going to Crawdaddy's. Alright y'all, appreciate you riding along for part one of the old Three Amigos Jensen Beach ride. Had a great time today. Glad you could ride along. Hit that subscribe for me. Hit the like. Share it with your friends if you want to. And yeah, let's try to keep the channel going if you enjoy it. A lot of work putting them up. So yeah, help us out. We appreciate that. You're not going to let me over, huh? Okay, thanks buddy. Fucking asshole.